There are debates going on in second language acquisition about the usefulness of comprehension questions in an intensive reading program. To what extent we can make the use of comprehension questions in a reading, in an intensive reading program? Are they good enough, or what are the pros or cons? So these are this is what we are going to see in this module and the following module. So this topic is divided into two parts. The first part deals with the usefulness of the comprehension questions, and this is what we will discuss. So it has its usefulness because it develops certain techniques amongst students, or it trains them how to read effectively. And that should be the part of an intensive program. But in what way? We can make it a part of the reading program by including yes or no questions. Yes or no questions are important to include because they help require the students read the passage carefully, and then true and false statements. This is also important because, again, that requires the students read the passage carefully. And multiple choice items can require the students not to ignore, some of the parts of the given text. Fill in the blanks is also important, and this is how we have seen that comprehension questions, including some exercises in an intensive reading program, has got its influence because they require the students read the text closely and operationalize it. So there are various ways of including questions in comprehension questions. So we can help develop the vocabulary. We can check the vocabulary of the students through true or false questions. We can see or check the sentence structure of the students, and we can check to what extent they infer the main message of the text, or we can check how they understand the main theme of the given text supposed to be conveyed by the writer. So it has got its significance in terms of understanding the text in a specific way, in a particular way. And apart from understanding the text, we can make our students understand the linguistic features in a given text. For example, how the writer has made the use of the modal verbs, how the writers have made the use of cohesive devices or linking devices. So this is how we can train our students see the text closely with the help of comprehension questions.